Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're at right now. I wanted to show you guys this apartment that just became available here where we're at. They want 4,000 pesos a month. It's roughly about $80 a month. You know, it's an ongoing question, an ongoing, thing here. How much you need to live here in Angeles City, or how much you need to live here in the Philippines in general. A lot of people out there, tell you need this much, that much. I'm not here to tell you how much you need. I'm just here to show you, some of the things here and what they cost. But anyways, this apartment, like I said, 4,000 peso just became available. We're spending where we're at right here, 6,000 a month. Could you turn this into an apartment where we're at? Sure, you could. I think people were even here using it as an apartment at one time. But we turned it into the Sorry store. It's a fairly nice size, inside here. Those that have been following the channel, they've seen the progress on this. But like I said, we turned it into a Sorry store, as you can see. You could actually turn the downstairs here into a living room, dining room, whatever you want. And you could actually live down here, close the front gate. But then we have the stairways that lead upstairs to a smaller room with another bathroom up there, and then an outside balcony to hang your stuff. But like I said, we pay $6 for this, but the store pays for it. The store is paid for the electric, the water, and also the rent. But anyways, I'm here and I'm going to show you this 4,000 peso apartment that just became available. Let you guys see it, let you guys check it out. The thing here is, it is loud, it is noisy. Throughout the day, a lot of traffic up and down this road. Even at night, there's still a lot of traffic up and down this road. But no roosters here. I don't hear a single rooster. But anyways, let's check out this apartment. All right, guys. So I am standing in a little hallway here as you enter into this apartment area here. Right here is a door you would enter through. Come here. But you can see there's multiple apartments in here. Upstairs and downstairs. See, it's got the metal bracings on the window for security, and the chalice windows. But yeah, you would be sharing this hallway here with everybody. You can see everybody hangs their laundry outside for everything to dry. I don't know where the apartment is. This is the empty one. This is the empty one here. Look, said the door's open. Yep, door's open. All right, guys, it's a little dark in here right now. Apologize, they took all the light bulbs out of here, but you got the open area here. Got an area for a refrigerator, sink, cabinets. Back in there would be your bathroom. In here is your living room, or I'm sorry, your bedroom area, with your windows. Got a spot there for an air conditioning. Just one bedroom, and your kitchen dining area with the chalice windows and the bars over everything. I wish I could show you more. I wish you guys could see it. Like I said, they took the light bulbs out here. And then, of course, you got the bathroom back in there, but that's pitch dark. But anyways, this is the little apartment here. Like I said, 4,000 a month, about $80. And this is what you're getting. All right, so here's probably what that bathroom area looked like. Because they're all pretty much standard. This is our bathroom area here. Got the toilet, got the sink, a little spigot wash area. You got Liberty. Liberty doesn't come with every apartment, and probably has some type of shower head up there. But yeah, this would probably be pretty much like the bathroom that would be over in that other apartment. So that's what you're getting as far as a bathroom. All right, guys, so yeah, there I showed you that 4,000 peso a month apartment. 4,000 pesos, roughly about $80 a month for that apartment. It's not common for people to take the light bulbs with them when they leave, because a lot of times they pay for them. So they feel if they pay for them, they're going to take them. But anyways, you know, at 4,000 pesos a month, it's a small apartment. You know, here's the thing. I'm not here to tell you how much you need to live here in the Philippines. Different places in the Philippines cost different. You live in Manila, of course, it's going to cost more. You live in Cebu, it's going to cost more. You live out in the province, it's going to cost less. Living here in Angeles City depends on where you live. Costs you more, costs you less. I know guys that are spending, you know, 30 to 35,000 a month. You walk into their apartment, you think that they are, you know, living back in the United States. It's all up to date, everything's nice. They're paying for 24-hour, you know, 7 days a week security. We're paying 12 where we're at. That was unfurnished, we had to furnish it. We have 24/7 security there. Some places have community pools to swim. Some places have garages to park your car. But you know, a place like that for 6,000 or for 4,000 pesos a month, you know, you got to consider also there's no refrigerator in there. So if you come here, you move here, you're going to have to provide a refrigerator for yourself if you want a refrigerator. There's no air conditioning in there. You're going to have to provide an air conditioner if you want a cool apartment, or if you want a cool, you know, bedroom to sleep at night. We have an air conditioner in our place over where we live, but it's only on when we sleep at night. We don't run it 24/7 because it's only in the bedroom. We have a fan, we run a fan, so you know, if you need a fan, you're going to have to buy a fan. But everything, you know, is going to cost you. Yes, it's only 4,000 a month, but you're going to have to get electric. You know, you're going to have electric. You're going to have an electric expense, and you know, for real, electric is fairly expensive here in the Philippines. You know, if you're running a refrigerator, you're running air conditioning, you're running a fan, it's going to cost you money. Can you hand scrub your own laundry? A lot of people hand scrub their own laundry, hang it outside to dry. Can you do that? You know, if you can't do that, you're going to have to go get somebody to do it for you. And there are lots of places here that will, you know, do your laundry for you, and they charge by the kilo for your laundry. So yeah, you got to figure that expense in also. If you're going to cook, you know, you're going to have to buy some kind of grill. You're going to have to buy electric grill. Well, then there's more electric you're going to add on. If you get a gas grill, you're going to have to buy a propane tank. Our propane tank, it'll last us maybe 3 to 4 months, depends on how much we're cooking. You got that extra expense. You know, do you want to eat in? Do you want to eat out? You know, there's some people here, they eat out constantly, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know, they feel that, you know, they don't want to cook at home, or they can't cook at home, or they just have the money to go out and eat. So, you know, you start doing that, that adds up too. Like I said, I'm not here to tell you how much you need. That depends on the person. Do you like to drink? If you like to drink, well, that's going to run you money. Yeah, alcohol is cheap here, but if you're drinking every day, that adds up also. Do you smoke cigarettes? Yes, cigarettes are cheap here, but that adds up also. You want to clean your own house? You can clean your own house, your own apartment. You know, more power to you. If not, you can get a maid. That's all extra also. If you want TV, if you want a TV, you're going to have to go out and buy a TV. You know, these places don't come furnished, and they don't come with a TV, so you're going to buy your own TV. Your electric goes up some more. Do you want internet? You're going to have to purchase internet. Your electric's going to go up more. So it all depends on your lifestyle. It all depends on how you want to live. There's people here that live on, you know, less than 1,000. They can do it. They're, you know, they don't require much and they don't want much. Then you got people here that say, you know, you need at least 2,000. You know, 2,000, you know, for an apartment, and or 2,000 USD to live here. You know, your apartment or whatever. It depends on how you want to live. You know, people, they come here and they want to continue to live that same lifestyle they're living where they came from, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's all up to the individual. You know, if somebody is receiving a small disability, they're barely getting by in the United States, and they've been doing it for years. They know what it's like to not have a lot. They know what it's like to sit home. They know what it's like not to go out to eat, to go out to restaurants, to cook their own meals, to do their own laundry. So, you know, somebody like that, they could probably live here on that disability. But I always say come first, check it out. You might not like the Philippines, you might love the Philippines. I know people that have come here the first time and never left. They said they love it here and they never left. Talked to a guy recently, 30 years ago, came here, never left. And he's actually living in one of the hotels here, in a hotel room. And he's been living there for years and has his own little business going here. So yeah, I mean, not only that, but if you think you're going to come here and get a job and you're going to make, you know, money and a ton of money to live here, that's not going to happen. Unless you got a lot of money to come here and spend and open up your own business, maybe that's something different. But if you're just an average person, you know, and you think you're going to come here and get a job at a grocery store or call center or something like that, you know, it's likely that it's not going to happen. And even if it does happen, you're not going to get paid much, and you're going to work many hours for a little bit of pay. You got to figure something. You got to understand something. The average Filipino here makes what, $400 to $500 US a month, and they're living here and they're smiling every day. They're happy every day, but they don't know any different. They don't know what it's like to, you know, have air conditioning, to live in a big house, to have a car. You know, they're just simple. You know, people live in a simple life here. You know, they have a motorcycle. They might have saved, you know, up a lot of money, or saved some money up to get a motorcycle. That's your transportation, which brings me to another point: transportation. If you're going to live here, you know, unless you can walk to where you need to go, you know, a mall or a market to buy what you need for the day or for the week, you're going to have to, you know, spend money on transportations, for Jeeps, for trikes, you know, things like that. So it all adds up. Like I said, I'm not here to tell people or give people an idea of how much they need to live here. It's up to the individual, it's up to the person. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know, show you this apartment here that's for rent for 4,000 pesos. Like I said, roughly about $80. You guys seen the our sorry store here. We're paying 6,000, roughly 1,000 or 120 US dollars. But like I said, our store pays for itself. So, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you what a 4,000 peso apartment month, 4,000 peso a month apartment runs, and give you just a little idea of certain things that you might need to keep in mind when you're moving here. So, oh, and another thing, when you do rent a place, they require first month's rent and then a deposit, right? So you're looking at
1 month deposit, 1 month advance.
1 month deposit, 1 month advance. So, you know, you're looking, you know, double that. Plus, a lot of them require a down payment on the electric and a down payment on the water. So you also got to consider that in there with it also. So anyways, guys, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, well, choice is yours. And leave some comments below. And like I said, I hope this video was somewhat helpful to anybody out there that's thinking about moving here to the Philippines.